CapCut template not showing or not working on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix CapCut templates if it is not showing up or if it is not working on CapCut PC. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to fix CapCut template not popping up or showing up, what you can do is go ahead and open up CapCut. Once you have done so, you'll get an interface somewhat like this. Here next, what you want to do is towards the top right corner. So let me focus on that. At the top right corner, you'll find these icons here. The very first icon you can see at the right hand side, you'll find cross and then minimize, maximize, and then the minimize and settings. And here you'll find the feedback icon, and beside it you'll find the update icon. Here if you are up to date, it'll show if you are up to date. If not, it'll show you the update. Now basically, if you have not updated the latest version, it might cause certain glitches and bugs, right? So you want to make sure that you're updated to the latest version, and this will fix the issue. So you also want to check that you have allowed the internet access for CapCut on your PC. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.